My name is Rebecca Jetty, and this is my inquiry-based learning project. This presentation will be comprised of the following slides: introduction, background, research, significance, findings, and lessons learned. My burning question is asking if implementing modern technology into K-6 classrooms is more beneficial than detrimental. Throughout this presentation, I will be focusing on my key findings. I wanted to gain a deeper understanding of how I could integrate technology into my future classrooms. To gain this insight, I pulled knowledge from my personal experiences working in classrooms and the technological adaptations that I saw. I was able to communicate with professionals in the teaching field through conversation as well as a survey that I administered. My goal for this assignment was to see what aspects of learning were negatively or positively impacted by the use of technology. Throughout my learning experiences, I have found that there are often mixed views when it comes to the use of technology. A case is always made for both sides. With the use of any new technology, there are associated risks. However, the pros must always outweigh the cons. If this were not the case, the technology would be updated or its use discontinued. We have learned that teaching is a constant flow of communication with students. Different resources apply and are more effective to certain academic subjects and students. For example, a phys ed class may not benefit from modern technology, such as computers and iPads, as it does not apply to the subject matter. That being said, a teacher's planning may become more organized with the synchronization we are now able to achieve. I was able to collect research through a number of different mediums. First, I compiled a list of scholarly sources that elaborated on my background knowledge. Second, I created a survey that provided me with insight into my peers' thoughts, views, and experiences on this issue. Thirdly, I followed up on my survey's results with in-depth interviews. There are many people that can benefit from this study. Because of this project, I will be able to know how and when I can use technology in my own classrooms. Because I have grown as a result of this study, I will do my best to apply the information I have learned in such a way that my future students will also benefit. Hopefully, because of the nature of this project, any viewers will also learn and grow from my experiences. I have found that most people I interviewed thought that technology was a tool that should be used in K-6 classrooms. However, it should not be the only method of teaching. Everything is good in moderation. As previously mentioned, the subject is highly debated, and there is often a case made for both sides. The question remains, can we afford to deny students the ability to use technology in a world that is so geared towards it? When all knowledge that they acquire will have real-world applications, we cannot neglect such a huge part of our societal advancements. The most important lesson that I have learned throughout my post-secondary experience is that every student is unique and teachers must adapt accordingly. If a class thrives with the use of technology, then perhaps more technology should be introduced, and vice versa. As previously mentioned, modern technology can be an asset and a wonderful tool in any teacher's arsenal. But when it is the only means of teaching, then it becomes less effective and damaging to the learners. New innovations should be used as supplementary aids, with the focus always remaining on what is best for the students. Here's a list of some of the sources that I used for creating an annotated bibliography. Thanks for watching.